Jillian Ward is here with us. Hey, Jillian.
Hi, Jillian.
Hello.
Looking
Jessica
so
Rabbit,
beautiful.
ang ating peg for tonight. Hello,
Come in,
Jillian.
come in. Join us.
Ito, alam mo ba, Rain, nakita ko si Jillian, parang binuhat-buhat ko pa siya nung baby pa siya. Pasalamat lang ako, hindi ako tinatawag Tito Tim.
No,
Diba?
kuya lang po.
Kuya Tim,
lang.
ayan.
Yes.
Thank you, Jillian. Jillian naman, anong di mo malilimutang Kapuso memory since nung nagkamalay ka na, nandito ka na sa Kapuso Network. Gano'n ka pa ka-baby?
Well, para sa akin po kasi lahat ng moments ko with GMA is memorable. Pero siguro po, yung moment na binigay po nila sa akin yung Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Kasi yun po talaga yung parang naging transformation ko from a baby to a
Lady.
woman.
Young lady.
From a child
Yes.
star to an actress talaga. Actress with a K. So with that, Jillian, I know you've worked with many Kapuso actors throughout your career. But who really made an impact sa buhay at sa career mo?
Well, andyan kasi yung mama ko. So gusto ko si mama aking banggitin. Mama, I love you. Hindi siya
Yes.
nakikinig.
Hello, Mama.
Si Mama ang may pinaka-
Naku, dati ko ba nakita yan? Si
impact sa
Mama
buhay
mo,
ko
hindi
rin.
nag-age.
Yes.
From
Opo.
before, looks the same.
Yes, so beautiful.
Hindi ba?
Opo, ayun. So, and actually po, lahat, kung sa actors naman po, lahat
Yes.
kasi ng nakaka-work ko, binibigyan po ko lagi ng advices. Like recently, sina Tatay Richard Yap, Nanay Carmina Villaruel, Tatay Chucky J. Fusatay, Dominic Ochoa, lahat po naman nakaka-work ko, nagiging parang mga magulang ko talaga sila, ate at kuya. So, lahat po sila may impact talaga sa buhay and career ko.
Eh, sa mga love team mo naman,
Oo
sino
nga.
paborito mo sa mga ka-love team mo?
At dito silang lahat kasi. Wait
Lahat ng
lang.
ka-love team
Oo
mo?
nga.
Lahat nandito? Nandyan? Nandyan?
Naka-love team ko kasi po andito si Jeff, si Rahil, si Michael. So,
Ayun, nandyan sila. Oh, hello,
lahat
guys.
sila.
Guys, dito,
lahat.
pumunta na kayo dito. Halika na, mag-hi na kayo.
Guys, uy!
Uy,
Rahil, Jeff!
para nasa campus lang. Uy. Okay,
Rahil.
mga ka-love team na ni Jillian. Halika, punta na kayo dito.
Jeff.
Ayan.
Hello!
Ayan.
Hello.
Yung mga fave.
Hello pa si Michael Sager. Halika dito, dali!
Oh, hello.
Wala, superstar na kasi si
Oo
Michael
nga
eh.
Okay, guys, so tara.
Halika na dito,
Tara,
Michael.
parang reunion na to. Hello.
This is basically a reunion
Favorite.
with
Okay.
Jillian's leading men.
Yes, Jillian's leading men. Ayan. Ano naman sabi nyo, what's the best thing about working with Jillian?
For me, I'm always speechless kasi it's the Jillian Ward, di ba? Wow. No, jokes aside though, working with Jill is always a blessing kasi ang ganyang katrabaho and napaka-talented niya and I'm just so happy that my last project was with her and hopefully we get to work again, di ba Jill?
Yes, thank you, Michael.
Ako masasabi ko lang din na I'm very happy na last project ko rin, nakasama ko siya. And parang kapag kasama ko siya everyday, na it's like, na-inspire ako to work dahil sa kanya. So, ayun. Yun lang masasabi.
Wow.
Thank you, Ryan.
Ako naman, syempre, laking pasasalamat ko kay Jim. Kasi, yan, simula nung abot kamay na pangarap, nagbago yung buhay ko. Seryoso.
Parang
seryoso.
nanalo ng loto ah.
Oo, sobra.
Oo, ayun, oo.
Panalo talaga,
Very
jackpot.
good. Oo.
Kaya piso, panalo milyon. Ganon.
Ang galing. O, mamili ka na. Jillian, sino bibili mo next sa next show? Ayun na.
Kilala ko din.
Abangan.
Abangan natin yan, di ba?
Abangan.
Guys, kayo naman, what is your favorite Kapuso memory? Since you guys have been in the network and experiencing a lot of highs with all your shows and lot ng activities, what's your favorite among all of them? Michael?
I think for me, it's always been a favorite and a core memory is when I got released with Sparkada as a group. That was my batch. And yung memory ko dun was the start of my journey and it was something that I risked my life for Canada and everything and it was so happy kasi it was the start of everything, so very memorable for me.
Tama si Michael. Yun ang pinaka-memorable sa akin kasi yun yung first ever ko kasi dito sa showbiz. First ever group, Sparkada, and our first ever show, Love Is. Kaya hindi ko po makakalimutan yun.
Tama. Ako naman, dun, naramdaman ko talaga yung brotherhood and also yung essence ng being a kapuso. Lahat sila, nung na-injury ako nung time na yon, nung launching namin, andun sila para sa akin. And afterwards, nung na-meet ko rin yung mga kapwa kapuso ko, syempre, sobrang naramdaman ko rin yung brotherhood and yung family, kumbaga.
Aw,
Thank you so much,
so
guys.
much, guys.
Ayan,
All
ano
right,
si
we'll catch
Lander
you
Vera Perez,
inside. Okay, we'll see you. Thank you,
Ayan.
Jillian, Michael, Rahil, and
Thank
Jeff.
you. From the star of the new gen, kasama natin ang one and only star of the new decade at minamahal natin mula sa